What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, and I am back for another video, y'all. Hey, man, I know it's been a little while since I made my last video. I was on a little bit of a roll there for a little bit, guys. You know, I was knocking them out consistently or whatever, but man, there's been a lot of new updates out here in Vegas, so I wanted to make this quick video. It's not gonna be like one of my super structured educational type videos or whatever. It's a little bit more off the cuff. Just kind of wanted to give you all some updates on what's been going on out here, what to expect from the channel coming up here or whatever. So I hope that you all are pumped for this content. Let's go ahead, let's get into it.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met
I just recently created a brand new piece of content for the wholesaling community, y'all, and I really think that you all are gonna enjoy it and appreciate it. It's pretty much, I created a new 143 wholesaling marketing headlines. All right, so it's very thorough. You can use these headlines in different situations, such as like, you know, texting your deals out to buyers, posting social media posts to like gain that attraction of your market, right? And you know, you can use it to, you know, be direct messaging people, stuff like that. So I definitely want you all to check it out. You know, it's pretty comprehensive, y'all, and I've been, you know, I started up an ad on Facebook or whatever, so some of you all may have already seen it, but I know a lot of you all maybe don't even frequent Facebook like that. I know I don't personally or whatever, so, you know, I just wanted to drop that in this video to kind of let you all know that y'all can grab my 143 marketing headlines with the link in the description, guys. Just definitely check it out. Now, another piece of content that I have for you all that I've been working on over these last few weeks to a month now, actually, and I've spent over $1,000 like getting this stuff created for you all. So I want y'all to understand it. Like, look, man, I be out here trying to provide some value to the community legitimately. I really mean that. It's literally an entire Facebook ad funnel written by professionals and designed to help us attract motivated sellers and turn them into leads. All right, so it's amazing, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I really put a lot of work into this, and so I'm gonna break down like what comes with that or whatever. So like you get 4 ad copies. So like the copy of an ad are the words that you use in an ad or whatever. So you get 4 ad copies. So like 4 different ads, like the words for the ads, and then you get 4 white label ad images, meaning white label, meaning that you can add your logo onto these images and it'll just be your marketing material. You get what I'm saying? So you can brand it for yourself, right? So you get 4 ad copies, 4 ad images. We take it next level though, when you're also gonna get a 5 email follow-up sequence to make sure that, you know, once these people kind of come into your funnel, that you don't just let the lead slip through the cracks pretty much. Like you're still following up with these people through email. You're nurturing these clients over time. So you convert them from just being, you know, someone who's filling out a form into someone that's actually becoming a customer. So you can work on this deal. But then lastly, like the piece, the icing on the cake is that I've also got the landing page copy for you as well. So all of the words that needs to go on your website, we've got that for it. The entire process from start to finish, y'all feel me? So like literally the entire ad campaign, from your ad copy, your ad images, your website copy, and a 5 email follow-up sequence, just hook that up for the community, y'all. So I definitely want y'all to take advantage of that as well, man. So those are kind of like the products and like the new offerings that I have for y'all, man. I've been putting in a lot of work. My camera died there for a second. I'm back. All right, so outside of those 2 little new pieces of content that I have for you all, that Facebook marketing funnel and the 143 wholesaling headlines, man, just kind of want to give y'all an update on just some other things that's going on. So I brought on some cold callers recently. As you all probably know, if you checked out that video that I made titled How to Hire a Virtual Assistant. Well, before I made that video, I was already in the process of personally definitely bringing on a virtual assistant to start making some calls for me. And so I've got my cold callers out here rocking and rolling now, guys. I've got them working 4 hours per day, 3 days out the week. So just 12 hours to see how they're doing on those calls. So far, and I've had them on for maybe about like 2 weeks now. So far, they've been able to bring on an average of 1 to 2 leads per day. Granted, a lot of them are very delusional, the leads that are or whatever. But nonetheless, we definitely have potential deals in the pipeline right now with our cold callers out here in Vegas, guys. So make sure that y'all stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on post notifications, because I'm definitely going to let you all know, keep y'all updated on what's going on with my cold callers out here, y'all. So hopefully we can be getting some deals soon, and I will definitely bring them to the channel so we can analyze the numbers, run everything. I want you all to go through these processes with me. Also, man, like, I noticed that a lot of you all have been going over to my motivatedsellerleads.org site and trying to purchase leads. Now, I noticed this is happening literally like every day. So I wanted to take like a poll of the community, and I may drop this on like the community tab on YouTube or whatever, so you may see this again. But I'm just curious, like, who, if you're watching this, would you like it if I brought back Motivated Seller Leads? So some of you all may not know, Motivated Seller Leads was my lead company that I was running for quite some time when I very first got started. I was talking about Motivated Seller Leads in like every other video or whatever, but pretty much it's just a service that where, you know, you can come to me and let's say, for instance, you can't afford PropStream. It's 99 bucks a month, right? You can come to me and I can get you 100 lead skip trace. I can get you 250 lead skip trace, or maybe you don't even want the skip tracing. Maybe you just want the leads. I can get you 1,000 leads. I can get you 1,000 leads skip trace. Things like that. So I had that service rocking and rolling. People loved it, but I kind of shut it down because it wasn't a part of our core offering. But I am considering bringing it back up. So let me know down in the comment box. Drop a comment. Let me know whether you would actually like it if I brought back motivatedsellerleads.org so I could provide the leads and the skip tracing for you all. Also, man, look, I appreciate every single one of y'all, man, that hit that subscribe button. We just topped 4,500 subscribers on the YouTube channel, man. Like, it's such a blessing to be out here with you all, being able to provide that value for the community, man. Y'all know I'm out here. Hey, look, I try to give the gems, y'all. I try to give the real life how-tos of this wholesaling business. If y'all appreciate that, man, hit the like button on this video, but also subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. A lot of y'all don't even realize that y'all not subscribed to the channel properly. Like, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I put out a new video. You don't want to miss out on this brand new wholesaling content, I'm telling you, because once I put it out there, then everyone's using it instantly. So it's like you want to get up on it before the rest of the team gets up on it. So make sure you turn those post notifications on. Be right here when the videos drop. Y'all know I got you. I'm not going to waste your time on this channel. I promise you that. So another thing that I want to bring into this video or whatever is that, you know, I'm curious, like, you know, I'm really looking forward to more successful wholesalers to bring onto the Wholesaling Mastermind podcast. So I wanted to ask my community here on YouTube, and I'm probably going to ask over on Facebook as well. But I want to know what you all, like, who, if anybody, would you all want me to interview for some more interviews that I do on the Wholesaling Mastermind podcast. So for some of you all that maybe don't know, yes, I do have a podcast. Yes, I've had people like Brent Daniels, Dara Basute, Brandon Barnes, Dejan Charles. You know, I've had all of these people onto the podcast. Some heavies, Aaron Bevins, CC Garland, Austin Rutherford. Like, I love interviewing people, I'm not gonna lie. And I love, you know, talking to other successful real estate people. And honestly, it doesn't even just have to be real estate people, but I'm curious, like, who would you all want me to interview? If I can, get in contact with people, who would y'all want me to interview? Like, if y'all happen to know some people personally and y'all think that they would be great to come onto the podcast, maybe have them reach out to me. I would be more than glad to chat with some people, y'all. So drop some suggestions down below. Let me know who I should interview. Let's get the podcast turned up, y'all, for real. I'm about to start interviewing a lot of people over the rest of this year and going into early next year or whatever. So make sure, let me know, drop some feedback. Let me know who you want me to interview. All of you all have been showing so much love and support on these videos lately. I super appreciate you all. Like I said, we just topped 4,500 subscribers on the YouTube channel. A ton of you all have been reaching out to me for coaching lately. Well, the coaching program is actually filled to capacity until further notice. Just wanted to let y'all know, definitely looking forward to getting it rocking and rolling with the current clients who are active right now. But when there does become some new slots available, I'll make sure to drop it as an update inside of a YouTube video so you all can kind of jump on that. I think that's about it. I love y'all. I appreciate every single one of you all. Like I said, new updates, man. The new 143 wholesaling marketing headlines available for you. Link in the description. New done for you Facebook ads funnel. Completely done for you. Down in the description below, guys. Click that link. Also, definitely let me know what other wholesalers that I should be reaching out to. Drop a comment with some suggestions down below. That would be lit. I would really appreciate that. And lastly, as you know, like I said, the coaching program is shut down for the moment or whatever. I can't take on any brand new clients, but when that time does become available and we got some more slots open, I will be glad to work with some of you all. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I make the next video. It may be in the next video, who knows, don't miss out. Anyway though, guys, all right, I hope that y'all staying healthy, staying blessed. And until next time, guys, we are out.